Hi everyone, this is a quick instructional video for when you're ready to do the homework on worksheet I from the homework packet. This is the second part of a calculator-based inquiry into how to find a missing angle when you're given the output, the radian measure. So, as usual, I want to make sure that my calculator is in the right mode. The directions say that I want to find the quadrants in which theta lies at the value of theta in decimal degree format rounded to 3 places. And if there's no value of theta that satisfies an expression, then I just have to write undefined. So I'm going to go to my calculator, and I am going to, now, because I'm given the tangent of theta, I'm going to hit second tangent. I don't know what the angle is, but I know that the output is 1.5. I want to make sure, since I'm given an output in radians, that my calculator is in radian mode. Hit enter, and I get 0.9827, etc. That answer doesn't make a lot of sense, and it does if it's in radians, but I want to convert it to degrees. So what I have to do to convert from radians to degrees is multiply by 180 and divided by over pi, because this way my units will cancel. I want to take my answer, multiply by 180, and divide, there we go, by pi. That way the radians will cancel, and I'll be left with an answer in degrees. My answer is 56.3 degrees. All right, well, going back here, I'm going to write that down, 56.3, out to 3 places, 56.310 degrees. So I have to think about what quadrants this is going to be in. Well, in what quadrants is tangent positive, right? The outcome here of tangent is positive. So I need to think, okay, in quadrant 1, all trig functions are positive because both sine and cosine are positive. X and y are positive here, right? That comes from our plus plus. Here, just the sine is positive because cosine is negative and the y values are positive. In quadrant 3, tangent is also positive because the x and the y values, the cosine and the sine, are negative, and so a negative over a negative gives me a positive. In quadrant 4, only the cosine is positive because the x values are positive, the y values are negative, and that ratio gives me plus minus. So tangent's positive in quadrants 1 and 3, and the degree measure there in quadrant 1 is 56.310 degrees. In quadrant 2, though, I have to use 56 degrees as a reference angle. That's going to be here in quadrant 3 with 56.3 degrees. I'm going to add that to 180 because I've gone a rotation of 180 degrees to get down into quadrant 3. So if I take 180 plus 56.3, I get an answer of 236.310 degrees. 236.310 degrees. That is an example that's representative of what you'll see for the next 11 problems in this worksheet.